Howdy students, Mr. Anderson here, and today I just wanted to quickly go over how to do the practice height calculation sheet as part of our unit on model rocketry. In case you didn't understand the directions in class or you were absent, then hopefully this will be a good short little explanation that will get you going with this how do we calculate rocket height using these practice problems. There are 5 problems, so the sheet is 2 pages or a front back page if you have one from me. Just make sure you read through all of it. Each one's sort of a little word problem that it's set up just like we'll be doing outside. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll read through the problem. Assume that each person is 100 feet away from the launch site. Person A measured an angle of 55 degrees at the peak of the rocket's flight, and person B measured an angle of 49 degrees. Calculate the height of the rocket flight. Okay, write out the formula you need to use. The formula you need to use is right here. H equals tangent of A times B. Okay, H is equal to the height of the rocket flight. That's what we're trying to find. B is equal to the observer's distance from the launch pad. And A is the average angle observed. Okay, so down here, for each one, you need to know what B is. B is 100 feet. That's how far the observers were from the launch pad. So you're going to enter 100 feet. A is the average angle observed. So we were given 55 degrees and 49 degrees. So pretty much in order to get the average angle, you go 55, we're finding an average here, plus 49, which equals 104. And then you're going to take 104 and you're going to divide that by 2, which equals 52. So 52 degrees is the average angle. Now, as far as showing all your work, all I expect you to do is just write out H equals, we're just pretty much copying this formula, but plugging in for A, we'll plug in 52, and for B, we'll plug in 100, okay? H equals the tangent of 52, and then we're multiplying by 100. And when you plug that into your calculator, let's look at it right here. If I plug it into a calculator, start, programs, accessories, calculator. Okay, make sure that you're viewing it as a scientific calculator. If this is what you see, make sure you're viewing it as scientific. Okay, to plug this into the calculator, you have to type in the angle first, 52, hit the tangent button, and then multiply it by 100 equals, and there's your answer right there. Just round it off. It's about 128. Okay, so yeah, just round that off, and that's all you need to do. So you'll just put for your answer, you can just put height equals 128, and our units are feet. That's what we're trying to find. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is find your average angle, and then make sure you're plugging it into the formula right. You're just substituting in for A and for B, and then round off your answer. It's the same for all of these problems. For the other one, the other sheet, if you're looking at that one, which was our practice measurements outside, you just had one angle that you measured and one distance. So you don't have to find an average angle. You just measured one with the angle finder gun. And so you just plug that angle in here on your formula. Okay? I hope this was helpful. Let me know if there's other things that you need to know how to do if you're confused on this. Now, this is Mr. Anderson signing off.